That's what it said on my Google. Like the felt Google thing. It says if the dealer has 16, they have to go again. But sunlight, OMG.
Yeah. I probably should have put this on a tripod. It's really, really shaky.
You probably like it.
Best, dude.
Maybe.
Oh my god.
Oh, are we supposed to be quiet?
No, it doesn't matter. The sound's not gonna like be a problem.
You see if you want.
And just take it? Wait, I'm confused.
Never mind.
No.
I split last year. Full plate.
I can't do it.
Look up, Nathan.
Hello.
Can you see Pennis too?
Yeah. Are you filming?
And Luigi. Wait, what is. Oh, the. That's the stank eye. You're making me nervous. I don't know what you're doing with that, but I don't like it. If there's a hypnotist, we should have.
Oh yeah. Oh, actually no. There's a magician now. I still want to go.
I want to go too.
Where?
Here tomorrow night.